MightySat Rx is the first fingertip pulse oximeter featuring the same Masimo set measure through motion and low perfusion pulse oximetry technology used in leading hospitals. MightySat Rx is available in 3 different models: MightySat Rx, MightySat Rx with Bluetooth LE, MightySat Rx with Bluetooth LE, RRP, and PVI. The MightySat Rx kit includes one MightySat Rx device, 2 AAA alkaline batteries, 1 lanyard, 1 carrying case. Battery install. The MightySat Rx requires 2 alkaline batteries to operate. Locate the battery button on the front of the sensor pad. Push lightly on the battery button to release the battery cover. Insert 2 new AAA alkaline batteries and carefully match the orientation labels, positive and negative. Activate MightySat Rx. To take readings with the MightySat Rx, open the device by simply squeezing the back portion as shown. MightySat Rx will automatically activate when the device is opened so that the sensor pads are exposed. Position the finger so that the tip of the finger touches the backstop provided at the end of the sensor pad. Ensure the finger is correctly positioned for accurate measurements. Once the finger is correctly positioned, gently close the MightySat Rx by releasing the pressure on the back of the device. After a few seconds, MightySat Rx will display readings. MightySat Rx is designed for performance, featuring a plethysmographic waveform, a high-resolution display with a rotating and adjustable color screen, a unique silicone finger grip for secure placement and enhanced comfort, and a free downloadable Masimo Professional Health app with trend and sharing capabilities. Menu options. The MightySat Rx features a touchpad which is located below the display screen and allows users to access the main menu and configure device settings. To access the main menu, press and hold the touchpad until the menu appears. From this menu, the user can enable or disable the waveform on the screen, increase or decrease the brightness, activate or deactivate Bluetooth, or find hardware and software information about the device. To use the MightySat Rx with your compatible smart device, do one of the following. For Android-powered devices, go to the Google Play Store. For Apple devices, go to the App Store. Search and download the Masimo Professional Health app. When the download is complete, launch the Masimo Professional Health app and select MightySat to connect the MightySat Rx with a compatible smart device. Turn on Bluetooth on your MightySat Rx pulse oximeter. Now ensure the Bluetooth is enabled on the smart device following the app instruction as shown on your smart device. Place the MightySat Rx on your ring finger. Once MightySat Rx is connected to a smart device, confirm the readings on the MightySat Rx to the readings displayed on the Masimo Professional Health app are synchronized without a delay greater than 10 seconds. Your app will now display all of the parameters including SpO2, PR, PI, RRP, and PVI, along with a plethysmographic waveform and signal IQ. Tap on any one of these parameters on the app to see a detailed explanation of the parameter. On the app, you will see the home page, the history and options icons. To see trended data, tap on the options icon first. Then tap on the Trend Settings icon and select the parameters you wish to view by tapping on the parameter. Tap on the History icon to see your parameters trended. The MightySat Rx will record up to 12 hours of parameter data. Now toggle on the trend lines using 2 fingers to shrink or expand the timescale you wish to view. To see the measured parameter values, tap on the blue trend icon on the app. Tap on any individual record to see additional detailed information, including minimum, average, maximum, and last readings for SpO2, PR, PVI, and RRP. Now tap the Options icon and tap Email History to send the data of the selected record via email. To increase or decrease the timescale for recorded measurements, swipe the blue slider to change the data capacity. To delete any file, just tap on Delete All History. To hear the pulse tone, tap on Sound icon. Tap on the Home icon to return to the home screen. To unpair the device, tap Paired Device and tap on Forget this device. Apple Health app. Additional features of the Masimo Professional Health app include the ability to share data with Apple Health app. To share the data with the Apple Health app, open the Apple Health app. Tap on the Sources icon and enable the parameters to allow Masimo Health to write data. You may choose to share the following parameter data with the Apple Health app: heart rate, pulse rate, oxygen saturation, perfusion index, and respiration rate.